Hi, my name is Shreeya and I'd be really happy if you subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon. So today we'll make Nutri bars. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, we need to dry roast the oats for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Now here I am roasting some chopped almonds and sunflower seeds for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. You can use any seeds or nuts according to your tastes and preference. Now dry roast puffed rice for 1 minute on low flame. Now here I have some roasted puffed rice, almonds and sunflower seeds, a paste made out of dates, dried blueberries and poppy seeds, and roasted oats. So this is all we need for our recipe. Here I have made a fine powder of almonds and sunflower seeds and also our dry roasted oats. So these are the final ingredients we need before mixing it into a thick paste. Now here I have combined all the ingredients to make a thick paste out of it. Transfer the mixture to a flat bottom plate lined with baking paper. Set well, forming a block. Now finally sprinkle some poppy seeds and sesame seeds and then refrigerate.
6.5 hours later.
Now unmold and cut into pieces. Finally, serve the nutrition bar or store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator.